Hello everyone, welcome to CY Group channel. This video is about assembly order processing in AutoCount accounting. Assembly order processing allows item assembly from sales order to delivery order. This processing requires three modules. Go to Tools, then Program Control, and Module Setting. Tick the checkbox of Stock Assembly, Sales Order Processing and Assembly Order Processing. This is the flowchart of assembly order processing. There are 8 steps in this assembly order processing. Let's begin with the first step, which is starting from Create Sales Order. Go to Sales, then Sales Order. Click New to proceed. You need to create a sales order with items involve item assembly. After you have created the sales order, it will appear in the listing. Next step is Sales Order Processing. You can either select the document and click Open SO Processing, or click Find. Find Sales Order window will appear. Click Search without entering keyword will inquiry all data. Tick the checkbox of the document to select, and click Process SO to proceed. The upper section shows the listing of outstanding items. The middle section shows stock status, and other info of the selected item. The lower section is meant for further action, and status of the action. There are 3 requests in assembly order processing. First is Purchase Request Processing, requests new purchase due to insufficient stock. Second is Delivery Request Processing, request deliver stock when there are stocks available. Third, Assembly Order Request Processing, request assembly order for selected item. Click the item to select the item. Click Assembly Order Request Processing to switch tab, and plus icon to add request row and set the request quantity. Then, click Assembly Request to proceed. A prompt will show up and click Yes. Assembly status will change from Not Yet Processed to Assembly Order Processing Requested. A notification will pop up to the users. Third step is Assembly Order Request Processing. This step is processing the assembly order request to generate assembly order. Go to Business Flow, then Assembly Order Request Processing. The items are pending will appear in this listing. Click the plus icon to expand, and view the documents request the items. Click Generate Assembly Order to proceed. Untick the checkbox of Unwanted Document, then click Save. New stock assembly order is generated. The pending assembly order request will be on the listing. Return to Sales Order Processing, preview the selected item. At the lower section, click Stock Status with detail. The status is updated. Continue to Assembly Order Processing, to process the assembly order and generate assembly request. Go to Business Flow, then Assembly Order Processing. Click Search, then tick the checkbox of the selected assembly order, and click Process. The upper section shows the item requested, and its material items. Untick the checkbox of Show Not Enough Stock Only, to preview all material items. The middle section shows the detail info and status of each item. The lower section, Assembly Request Processing, is to create an assembly request. Click the plus icon to add a request, then click Assembly Request, and click Yes. Fifth step is Assembly Request Processing, to process assembly request and generate stock assembly. Go to Business Flow, then Assembly Request Processing. The assembly request will appear in the listing. Click Generate Assembly to proceed. Tick the checkbox of the selected item and click Save. Stock assembly is generated. The stock is enough to deliver to customer. The 6th step is Request for Delivery, for sales department to request delivery stock to customer. Go to Business Flow, then Sales Order Processing. Click Search, then tick the checkbox of selected sales order, and click Process SO. Click Auto Generate, then Auto Generate Delivery Request Processing. Auto Generate Delivery Request Processing window will appear. Click Delivery Request to proceed. The delivery status will change from Not Yet Processed to Delivery Order Processing Requested, and a notification will appear for those who have access. Last step is delivery request processing, allows delivery department to process the request from sales department. Go to business flow, then, delivery request processing. The customer is pending stock will appear in the listing. Click plus icon to expand the details. Before generate delivery order, click pre-delivery request processing to examine the detail of delivery request. You are able to change the requested quantity, put a requested item on hold, KIV, or delete a request. When there is no changes, back to delivery request processing, and click generate delivery order. Click save to proceed. New delivery order is generated, click save, and the sales order is completely transferred to delivery order. That's all for this video. Thank you, and see you in next video.